So, hi people. So what can you expect today? Today you can expect a beautiful garden. Carl and Jan out and about in Hanover, Herrenhäuser. Okay guys, so what do we have here? Well, here I am standing in front of the Leibniz Temple. The Leibniz Temple was built by, Jan, what was his name?
Gottfried Wilhelm Leibniz.
Well, did you hear that? Perfect. Yeah. So Gottfried Wilhelm Leibniz. It was built in, watch, I'm going to sneak. It was built in 1787. No. Built in 1787. Yeah. So it's a memorial, guys. Yeah. Take a look. Okay, guys, a little bit of practice. Look here. These guys are called columns. Okay, and the columns are supporting the roof. Okay, they are supporting the roof. Yeah. Okay, and preventing the roof from falling. Okay, a little bit of practice. There you go. Columns, guys. Yeah, Samson and Delilah. I'm Samson. Finally, look. There. The ducks are swimming. Yes, the ducks are swimming on the lake. Beautiful. Present continuous. An example here. We can see some water boatsmen. This is what we call them in English, water boatsmen. And the water boatsmen are floating on the surface of the water. Okay, so look guys. The hammock is hanging between the trees. It's hanging between the trees. And somebody is relaxing in the hammock. Yeah, people. So now here I am sitting on a bench in the middle, or approximately in the middle of the alley, and the alley itself extends in both directions approximately 1 geographic mile, which is approximately 1.85 kilometers. The alley itself is made up of 4 rows of lime trees. 2 rows on the right and 2 rows on the left. Okay guys, yeah, a bit of information. There were, back in the day, 3 bridges spanning the waters. This here, the river that is flowing to my left, is the Leine. And the 3 bridges were the Fahrbrücke, the Augustinbrücke, and the Friederikenbrücke. And the latter, the last one that I mentioned, is the one you can see here behind me. Okay, and there is also, you cannot see it at the moment, but Jan will take some pictures of the weir. Okay, guys, a little bit of information. So these bridges connected the old gardens together. Okay. See you in a bit. They even have modern art. Okay guys, that was it from Carl and Jan out and about in the Georgengarten. We hope you enjoyed it. And if you did, give us a thumbs up, or even better, subscribe. Yeah, and we hope to see you, or we hope that you tune in next time for the next episode of Carl and Jan Out and About. Until then guys, be safe, take care, and Jan and I are now going to go for a coffee. See you then. Bye for now. Jan, come here. Coffee.
Yes, I'm coming.